Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
What's up, my kings and queens? Welcome to another edition of Crown or Clown for Jordan sneaker releases for the month of October 2019. Greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. And if you just happen to come across my video and you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Hit that button right there. That little red button right there doesn't cost you a thing. Greatly appreciate you supporting. As a matter of fact, while you're at it, ring a ding ding, rock the bells like Run DMC. Hit that notification bell so you be notified of all videos that I drop in the future. And you can be a part of the kingdom. Your boys up in the castle. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're going to start it off with October 4th. Now, October 4th really wasn't a day that anything was going to be released, but Jordan Brand decided to move the date up from the 12th with the Hot Punch. Now the Hot Punch is going to be a GS only, which means it's only going to be a kid's shoe. No other sizings, and these are going to retail for $140. Now the GS Hot Punch, like I said, is moved from the 12th all the way up to the 4th. You know, Jordan is good. Jordan Brand is good for moving dates around. Now, with that being said, I like the shoe. It's a hot little shoe. I like the colors on it. It kind of looks like a little Hot Punch and Sunset, you know, mixed all the way together. But I like that shoe. The only thing that I don't like, I just don't like that little silver tab on there. To me, honestly, it just kind of throws it off. But I understand them breaking up the color and doing that. But the Hot Punch is coming in kid sizing, and those are going to be $140, and their release date is going to be October 4th. Now, back doing that on October 5th, you have Retro 9 Gym Red. Now these going to be releasing on the 5th, and the retail on these guys are going to be $190, and these going to be releasing in men's sizing and GS sizes. So they're going to be both men's sizes and kid sizes. So it's going to be kind of a general release. Hopefully, should be enough pairs where everyone can grab some. I don't think this is going to be a shoe where you're going to have to reserve. But then again, you never know with Foot Locker. And from what I understand, I've only seen it on Foot Locker, Foot Action, you know, Foot Locker type branded apps and stuff like that. So like I say, that's going to be releasing on the 5th. Definitely like the shoe. I love the white upper on the shoe. Because it's crisp and it's white and it looks real super clean with that hit of that red patent leather wrapping around it. Man, it's a hot shoe. Red is one of my favorite colors, and I like this shoe because it's not all red. It is broken up, but I mean with little tidbits of black in there with the Jumpman. But I'm loving the shoe with that white and that red. It looks super clean, just like the UNC Jordan. That blue wrapped around that white. Same thing with the Laker 9. Same thing. Matter of fact, I put all three of those up there so you guys can check those out. Alright. The next shoe that we have up is going to be the Jordan 34. Now this is the first edition of the 34, and this was actually releasing on the 10th. So exactly 5 days later, Jordan's going to be releasing the Jordan 34, this silhouette, on the 10th. This one's going to be retailing for $180, not $190 like we normally see. Excuse me. And the first one that he's going to be releasing is the white and orbit red. There is another colorway that is coming out later on this month. Well, later in the month of October, and that one's a pretty nice one too. I actually like the second one that's coming out versus the white one coming out. I actually like the 34 that they have on the side of the shoe, with the 3 X's with the little 4 off in there. Maybe it's a math thing with me, but I like how that looks. To me, that's super clean, in my opinion. Now, the next shoe that's releasing, first, let's go back there. The Jordan 9, the Retro 9, that's definitely going to get a crown. Loving that one out the rip. Jordan 34, that's going to get a clown. Not feeling the 34 silhouette. next one that's coming up, it's gonna be problems. It's gonna be problems with this shoe. So, with that being said, with the Travis Scott 6, now, this next shoe that's coming out, I really don't know what to say about this, but I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I'm to the point. I love Jordan 6. I love the silhouette of the 6. Love that spoiler on there. I like the way the tongue has holes it. I love the Jordan 6. I like the secret messages in the Jordan 6. Loving it. But this Travis Scott shoe, this is gonna be a damn problem. Understand, listen to what I'm telling y'all. They keep putting the date back, keep pushing the date back. Apparently there's already fakes and stuff out there. Who knows? I don't know. I really don't care. It's to the point now I really don't even want to bother with the shoe. Not to say that I'm not going to try to get it, but I don't even want to bother with the shoe, man. This is getting ridiculous. So, on the 12th, the J23 app hasn't released it on the 11th. From what I understand, it's supposed to be releasing on the 12th. This Travis Scott 6 is gonna be retailing for $250. If I hit, I hit. If I don't, I am not finna lose sleep over this shoe. But if I hit, it's definitely coming into the kingdom. It's definitely coming in the castle. Or it's going in the king's quarters. But it's coming in the kingdom. But man, the Travis Scott 6 is supposed to be coming out on the 12th. I will tell you this. I know it's going to be releasing on Nike. Nike's probably going to do a shock drop. His website probably going to do a shock drop. Don't be surprised if a shock drop comes. Don't be surprised. Keep checking his website. Keep checking Nike. So there it is. Also, don't be surprised if the shoe just gets pushed back again. Just saying. This shoe here is going to be way more problems than that Travis Scott one. Way more. Just watch what I'm telling you. I mean, you're looking at, kicks off for us. They want like $1,300 down just to secure the shoe. I'm not doing it. You know how many shoes I can get for $1,300? I'm just saying. If I had money like that, wouldn't do it. I'm definitely going to say this one's going to be a crown. Love to have it. But if you get it, you get it. If you don't, I'm not going to lose no sleep over it. Just saying. Alright, the next shoe that we have coming up is the Jordan Retro 10. The Retro 10, Seattle. This has been part of a pack that's been releasing since last year. So with the Jordan release of the Jordan 10, this one I'm actually going to try to double up on. I don't try to double up on too many shoes, but this one I'm trying to double up on just for the simple fact that it is Kelly green. I like the colorway and it is part of my Bike Club's colors. So I can see me rocking the shoe a lot, which is the reason why I want to try to get 2 pair of this shoe. Gotta have it in the castle. So with the Jordan 10, this one's definitely going to be a crown. Gotta have that. Next we have coming out on October 26th is a Shattered Backboard 3.0. I have mixed energy on this one. Am I going to crown this one or clown it? Being honest with y'all, the first thing that I felt like when I first seen it, it was definitely clown. Big old clown. It looks like Jordan Brand wrapped the shoe in patent leather, took it, stuck it in the microwave, and left it on high for about 20 minutes, and then decided to pull it out and then said, okay, it's done. I mean, wrinkling patent leather, that is just bananas to me. And it's something that I'm still trying to get my head wrapped around. I'm not quite sure whose idea was it to do this, but it's just crazy. On top of that, the bad part about it, this shoe is gonna do numbers. Just because it's a shattered backboard colorway, this shoe is gonna do numbers. I honestly feel like that. Now, do I wanna get it just because it's gonna do numbers? Maybe I can do a quick flip, but at the same time, y'all know I don't like selling shoes. I love my shoes, man. Seriously. I love rocking my shoes. I love rocking Heat. And I'm one of those ones, I gotta rock the Heat, man. I'm not just collecting shoes just to be collecting them. I'm not trying to sit up here and, oh yeah, I got that. No, I like to rock my shoes, but this shattered backboard 3.0, I'm just like, I don't know. But I honestly feel like just because it's a shattered backboard, it's gonna do numbers. I'm really on the fence about this one, to be honest with y'all. We'll see. We'll just see. That one's gonna be retailing for $160, and I don't know. It may be a hard shoe to get. Who knows? I don't know how it's gonna be released. You never know. With Nike, they might do a shot drop with this one too, and it's just. So if I can get a shot drop and get it in early and get a review for y'all, I'll definitely do it. But right now, I'm on the fence with it. And just to FYI, you guys, y'all already know. If you haven't heard, now you're about to find out that Jordan Brand is going up $10 on the Jordan 1 silhouettes. So starting next year, instead of the $160 that we're used to seeing for Jordan 1s, they're actually going to be $170. I mean, y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Me, I kind of figured it was going to happen. It just made sense for them to do it, especially the trends. It's just, shoes just been going up, man, especially when people are behind a bunch of them. There's a lot of Jordan 1s that get released, man. There's a lot of them that I pass on. There's a lot of them that I like and I do get. But Jordan 1s is like, if you miss it, somehow or another it comes back around, or something similar is going to come back around that looks like what you were trying to get to. You get what I'm saying? So it is what it is. However, the flip side of that is it's still $20 lower than our normal $190 that we see for Jordan brands. You know what I'm saying? Jordan brand shoes. So I don't know. We'll see. The last and final thing that I'm definitely going to bring this up is the last release is going to be on Halloween, which is a woman's shoe. Fellas, we don't even get a Jordan out on Halloween. But we have a woman's shoe that's releasing. It's a 7 and it's all patent leather. But to me, it kind of looks like a citrus and a raptor kind of mixed up and had a baby. That's my opinion of it. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know if y'all going after that shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? Me, I can't do it. Of course not. It's a women's shoe. I wear size 12. I'm out the door, out the game. It is what it is. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Comment down below. It's a retro 7. I do like it. It's all patent leather. It does look like it has like a little sprinkles off in it in certain parts of it. I actually like the shoe. I'm really kind of feeling the shoe. I definitely wouldn't mind having it if it did come in my size. But we know how that shit goes. This one's actually going to be retailing for $190. So if you ladies and some of you fellas that have smaller feet, you want to grab that, that's the rate that you're going to be looking at. $190 plus your applicable taxes. It is what it is. So that's going to end it right there for this version of Clown or Crown. I definitely appreciate you guys and you ladies for tuning in and rocking with your boys, riding with the kingdom, back up in here in the castle. So until next month, when I do my next month Crown or Clown, which is in November, which is my birthday month, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, it's going down. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys are going after these or you're gonna pass. Who knows? Alright, so to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom, and all my queens, stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Minute, shut your mouth and put this Air Jordan sock in it. The shit you basic. My situation amazing. My Air Force Ones lacing with dope, man. I let these